everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 7 of exercise 2.2 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us see what is the question. Match the following. See, match the following type of questions you have done in your earlier classes also. So this is nothing new for you. See 1, 2, 3, these all calculations are given. 425 multiplied by 136 is written as 425 multiplied by this 136 is written as 6 plus 30 plus 100. So we can write like this. Okay. Now in the second question, 2 into 49 into 50 is written is equal to 2 into 50. See here it is 49 and here it is 50, then 49. So what happens? 50 has come here, see, and 49 has gone there. In the third one, 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20. See, this 20 has come here. See, this 20 has come here and this 2005 has gone there. Okay. So what are these, how these calculations are done? By using the properties of whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers, all the properties and everything about whole numbers we have learned in the introduction part of this chapter, whole numbers. So if you wish to thoroughly learn those properties and all those concepts of whole number, you have to watch the introduction video of whole numbers. Okay, so now let us see which properties are used in which calculations, and here are the names of the properties: commutativity under multiplication and commutativity under addition, distributivity of multiplication over addition. These are the three properties used in these three calculations, but we have to match it that in this calculation which of these calculations are used, in this calculation which of these properties are used, and in this calculation which of the properties are used among these three. Okay, so see, 425 multiplied by 136 is equal to written as 125 multiplied by the sum of three numbers. This number is distributed as a sum of three numbers. So what is this? This multiplication of two numbers is distributed over addition. Okay, so this is the distributivity of multiplication over addition. It means in this question, this property is used. In this calculation, this property is used because this multiplication is see, this is a multiplication of two numbers and it is distributed over addition. Okay, in the next step, what we will do? See, in the next step, 425 will be multiplied to 6. Okay, and then plus sign. Again, this 425 will be multiplied to 30. Again, this plus sign, and this 425 will be multiplied to 100. So what happens? See, this multiplication of two numbers is distributed in three parts over addition. So in this calculation, distributivity of multiplication over addition, this property is used. Okay, so the solution will be, or the answer in calculation 1, the property used is this property which is written in C. So 1 resembles to C. Now in this question, 2 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 50. Okay, if we multiply, see, if we multiply 2 into 49, we have to write it here. Okay, 2 multiplied by 49, what is the result? We will write it here, and then we have to multiply it by 50. Okay, so we will not do that. What we have done, we have interchanged this. 49 has gone here and 50 has come here. See, 49 has gone there and 50 has come here. So this property of interchanging the numbers is known as the commutativity, and since these three numbers are in multiplication, so this is commutativity under multiplication. The numbers are exchanged, so this is known as the commutativity under multiplication. So in this calculation, which property is used? The first property. the property name written in A. Okay, so commutativity under multiplication is used in this calculation. And in this calculation, see, these two numbers are exchanged. 80 is written as it is, and 2005 has gone there, and 20 has come here. See, 20 came here and 2005 has gone there. So the numbers are interchanged. Okay, and plus sign is there. So this is commutative. This interchanging of numbers is known as commutative property, and since it is applied in addition of numbers, so it is commutativity under addition. So in this calculation, this property, the property which is written in B, is used in the third calculation. So understood this one? If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. In the next class, this was the last question of this exercise 2.2. In the next class, we will do exercise 2.3. Okay, so meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.